FTDI have extended the popular range of high-speed USB bridging devices to add power delivery capabilities. This table summarises the different devices available in the extended family. You can see the original FT232H, FT2232H and FT4232H devices. These provide 1, 2 or 4 interfaces respectively from a single high-speed USB port. We have highlighted the new power delivery versions. These offer the same data transfer features as the original devices but add 1 or 2 power delivery ports. Here are some of the features of the power delivery controller. Port 1 is used for data transfer just like the original non-power delivery versions of the chip. It can also be a power sink, allowing the connected host to provide power to the device. However, it can also be used to provide power in the other direction to charge a connected laptop, for example, and can swap between these roles. Port 2 is available on the dual PD devices. This is a power sink and can be connected to a power source, which can then power the application board as well as charging the host laptop on port 1. The controller supports voltages including 5, 9, 12, 15 and 20 volts, and so using power delivery offers a real alternative to using device-specific external power adapters. This example illustrates the dual power delivery capabilities. In the first case, the laptop on port 1 is providing power to the application board as well as talking to devices such as sensors and serial devices over the data bridge. In the second case, a wall charger is connected. The charger now provides power to the circuit via port 2. Port 1 changes to be a power source and provides power back to the laptop to charge it. The single, dual and quad channel devices support the same features as the original versions but with the addition of power delivery. Here you can see just some of the data bridging applications. These include data logging, connecting sensors, programmers and debuggers, USB to serial conversion, and adding a range of I/O to computer systems. In this demonstration, we have interfaced a light sensor to the FT4233H device. The board is connected to a laptop using port 1 on the left-hand side. An application is also shown which is running on the laptop and is taking readings from the sensor. As you can see from the USB power meter connected in line, the board is also providing approximately 20 volts to the laptop to charge its battery. At the top of the board we have a wall charger connected to port 2. This powers the board itself and also provides the charging current to the laptop via port 1. When we now unplug the wall charger from port 2, you can see that port 1 now switches role automatically to become the power provider. As you can see from the direction arrow on the USB power meter, the laptop is now providing 5 volt power to the application board. The data communication is unaffected by the change of power source and the laptop continues to take sensor readings. If we now connect the charger to port 2 again, the power delivery controller switches roles back again. The charger now provides power to the board via port 2 and port 1 becomes a provider of power to the laptop again to charge the battery. The data communication between the laptop and the sensor continues uninterrupted. The new additions to the FTDI high-speed bridging range bring all of the same benefits when adding USB connectivity to your device, but now with even more flexibility in the way you can provide power. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like more information on these devices, please visit us at www.ftdichip.com.